Same trails, same riders, same GoPro. So why does this look bad and this look good? It's not your camera, it's actually how you're using this little one. It will work with any action camera, not just GoPro, so let me show you. Most people think that GoPro looks bad because of the camera, but it's actually not the camera, it's actually how you're riding. So a stiff ride. If you're riding stiff, your footage will always look stiff. Now we'll go on the flowy ride and try the new line. See, this looks more flowy, right? So that's the thing. You have to ride probably. So if nothing moves, nothing happens. Good footage isn't filmed, it's written. Second problem is the angle of this little one. Most riders mount it up here on the visor. You can see the visor and the clips and everything. I don't want to show you. I never film like this. My solution is the chin mount, and this one is really smart because you can also put it on your friends instead of just only you riding. That's sick. You can see yourself riding from the back. When you're having this no stick mounts, just clip it on. It fits on every full face helmet and you have the perfect fast flowy angle if you loosen up and just flow with the trails. Next up is settings. People overcompensate this, so I will just go out right and show you on the screen which settings I use. Let's do it. This is all you need. Slap the max lens on, 4K, hyper view, and EV composition 017 and color and vibrant, and yeah, that's almost it. And you just have to not go like this on the bike. You won't have to clip in probably. You just have to lean the bike, go into the bike and make it smooth, baby. And I'm not even touching the colors in this video, it's a whole nother level. And one more thing, most riders just film themselves and never see how good they are actually riding or bad they are actually riding. But it's really nice to see how fast and flowy you are from the back and from the head of one of your friends. It's like holding this group dynamic and building a strong feeling with your friends instead of just you riding all the time, right? It's good to get this feeling from another perspective, you know? So slap the camera on your friend and right in front of your friend. All I have shown you here is straight out of the camera. Next time I will show you how to color grade and everything. It's not about having the best camera. It's about how you're using the camera you have and how to ride and how to do everything. Now I will pack up so I can go home and plan the next video for you. I hope this video was useful and looking forward to see you in the next one. This one was just a fast, easy breakdown so you can learn how to actually use the tools you already have instead of buying new cameras all the time, because the camera will never get you better. That's the same as a chef. All people can get a sharp knife, but it's the chef, how you put the spice and the sauce on, that's make the best course. And that's exactly what you learn to do here with your GoPro and your other action cameras. So let's go and see you on the trails.